Here is a little video with an exploded view and its animations using the U joint. So the exploded view is a little bit different than a few years ago. The first thing that you will see it's in the configuration. So in the configuration, you have a default configurations, that the one that you have with your mates and all of that. And when you click, so in assembly, exploded view, you create a new exploded view that will go inside this configuration. We will see it just after. Okay, so we have different options in the exploded view, but your first step will be to create steps. Okay, so remember that one step will be one position. It doesn't mean one part, but one position. So if you want to have two parts at the same position, that will be one step. I will show you this with some example. So we are in the exploded step one. So check always where you are. We are in the step one, and I will select this handle, and I will move it up. So I click on this arrow and go up. Okay. If I'm done, I can click on it and click again. Oops. Or click right. Oops. Here we go. And yeah, I did click it a few times on it on click left, but I will show you another way to make sure so that you are outside this part. So now my blue line, it's after the step one, and you see there, we are now at the step two. Okay, so that means that I can select a second position for another part, or maybe the same part. So I want to move this one, I click on it, and I will move it up by selecting the y-axis. Okay. And so that's where I try to click, and it doesn't leave. So if you want, you can click right and click OK. And that way, I will be in a new step. If you want to open it again, you click right and you click Edit Feature. Okay, so now I am in this step 3. So let's do step 3 with this one. Okay, oh, okay, I will click OK. I like the position, but you see, I want to change the position of those two ones. So you just click on step 1 in your feature tree and you move it up. This one, you move it up. Okay. So click right, exploded view, edit features, and now I have the step number 4. So I will move this one. Okay, and I will move it there. Click right. Here we go. Step 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And you see, I just click and now I'm at step 5. I'm not sure what I did different than from the other one. And I will move this one up enough that they are not, they don't overlap in my view. Oops, I'm good. I click on it. You see, I'm still in the step 5. So now I click right. Okay. Let me know if you understood the exact way to get outside the steps. Before I do the step 6, you see step 1, like this one, they are on top of each other. So that's the step 3. So let's move this one on top. And let me click on step 2 and move it up. And step 1 and moving up. So try to remember which step is which part. So here we go. I'm happy with that. Step 5 with this one. Okay. So I want to get out this one and go back in the step 6. Let me click enter and go back, edit feature. So I am in the step 6. So step 6, I will move those parts together in front of this part. So I will select this part and move it on the axis X. And as soon as I click left on this one, that will be on the same position. They will stick together. So I just click left and they stick together. So you see now exploded step 6. I have 4 parts together. And when you do that, that means that they will do the exact same motion together. And I am happy with that. So click right and OK. I will add a new step, step 7. And now I will just move this one in front. I'm OK. Okay, click right, OK. Oops. I will move this one. You want to try to keep your parts aligned as much as possible. But if I click that, That's my step 8, right? Yeah, that's my step 8. Let's do OK. Edit feature, step 9, and at step 9 I will move this one in front. Here we go. And OK. So you see my view, we can see all the parts and they are very like distinctive from each other. And no parts are overlapping. Okay, don't forget to save. Okay, and there is something that you can do now. You can click right and collapse. Everything will go back together. Okay, and there's something cool. Let me keep some space. You click right again and you click animate explode, and you will see your explosions in the same step that you did. So, oops, you have this little animation controller there, so you can stop. You can do slower. Oops, so you can see a little bit better. And you see the how it's cool to move all the parts together, and after that, one by one. If you click on this, you will be able to export the animation as a video. Okay, so and what else on the exploded view? If you want to add some balloons and bill of materials, that will be another topic. I will show you. I have to check before I record this video. So have fun with your exploded view. I know there is like, you can do one more if you want. And like, for example, maybe you want to have those 3 parts together. And after that, having another steps. You want to put it back. Let me click right and OK. And maybe the second steps will be edit features. Those 3 together, like this one, with this one together. OK. And now the third one will be those parts together. Up, up, up. Just click on it, just click on it, just click on it. Here we go. And OK. Maybe my steps 2, I need to move it a little bit more in front. And here we go. I have now my exploded view 2 that have different steps. I can collapse and I can animate, and that will just animate the parts together that I have decided to keep together. So you see, you can do as many expressions as you want. So I hope it's helpful. Let me know if you have other questions on that topic. It's interesting to work with explosions, especially because it has changed a lot. Have a great, I don't know, practicing your explosion view. Bye-bye.